It's not just about having a bath, it's creating a whole sensory experience and just being surrounded by all of these beautiful, calming things that just make me feel happy, and not having outside noises or things I have to worry about or think about, just having that quiet moment. My name is Emma. I'm 32 and I live in Happy Valley in Adelaide, and I really love creating baths. It just started as I would regularly take a bath, and then I just started to introduce these other things to make it a little bit more special. One of the first things that I'll do is go into the bathroom and just remove things that don't fit in with whatever it was that I had in mind for my theme. And then I will run the bath and just start collecting the things that I want to put in the bath and have around me, which usually just involves me walking around my house and thinking of things that are pretty and I think will go with whatever my inspiration is that day. And then I will put the kettle on so I can brew a cup of tea and have that brewing while I start setting things up. I'll often put it together with a tray of snacks, and I'll take that with me into the bathroom and slowly lay things out, like some essential oils and some candles, some fresh flowers. Once I get in, I relax. I have a quiet moment and feel really great about where I've placed everything and where I've spent the time to make it look beautiful and feel beautiful. Putting it all together is a real slow, creative process because I want everything to just feel really beautiful and natural where it's placed around the bath. And I take my time to do that slowly because I enjoy that aspect just as much as I enjoy being in the bath.